Disability. Disability is an impairment that can be developmental, cognitive, intellectual, sensory, physical, or some combination of these. Types of disability include communication disorder, behavior disorder, emotional disorder, and the learning disabilities and the developmental disabilities. Types of disability in home defectology and are hearing impairment, visual impairment, speech impairment, and autism spectrum disorder, and the mental retardation. Types of disabilities in foreign defectology include behavior disorder and the emotional disorder and the sensory disabilities and the developmental disabilities. Hearing impairment is a partial or total inability to hear. Types of hearing impairment are mild hearing loss between 26 and 40 decibels, and the moderate hearing loss between 41 and 54 decibels. Moderate severe hearing loss between 55 and 70 decibels. Severe hearing loss between 71 and 90 decibels. Profound hearing loss 91 and or greater. Visual impairment is a partial or total inability to see. Types of visual impairment are myopia, nystagmus, and glaucoma, and cataract, and myopia, and blindness, and hyperopia, and glaucoma. Gustatory impairment is a partial or total inability to taste. Olfactory impairment is a partial or total inability to smell. And the speech impairment is a partial or total inability to speak. Types of speech impairment are selective mutism, and stuttering, and dysarthria, and dysphonia, aphonia, and rhinolalia. Language impairment is a partial or total inability to use language. Types of language impairment are aphonia, dysphonia, alexia, dyspraxia, and dyscalculia. Learning impairment is a partial or total inability to learn. Types of learning impairment are dyslexia, aphasia, dyspraxia, and visual processing disorder, and auditory processing disorder. Mental retardation is a partial or total inability of the nervous system. Types of mental retardation are marionette, idiocy, imbecility, and Down syndrome. Intellectual disability is a partial or total inability to think. Types of intellectual disability are idiocy, imbecility, marionette, and Down syndrome. And behavior disorder is a partial or total inability to control behavior. Types of behavior disorder are autism, Asperger's syndrome, Tourette syndrome, and obsessive compulsive disorder, and oppositional defiant disorder.